Hello, Michelle Houston here, and we are going to create a TikTok video. It's really simple. So first you're going to click on your TikTok app, which you can find in your app store. And then you're just going to click the plus symbol at the bottom there to create a video. And here we go. So then you have this option to pick different sounds or effects. So we're just going to go with sounds to pick what music we're going to use. And up at the top, you can see that there's a search bar. So if there's something you want to find, you can grab it there. So we're just going to grab Snap Your Life by clicking on it at the top there, right where the red arrow is. And if you click that little flag mark, you can save that song for future. And then clicking the check mark will actually allow you to use that song. So you can adjust the speed of your recording here at the bottom where you can see the numbers changing. And then just over to the right near that arrow, you're going to click timer. This is where you can actually select where you want your timer to stop. Okay, so if you just want the first little bit of your recording to stop at any point, then you just drag that little red dash and then click to start your countdown. So now that you can see that red button is highlighted, that's your recording, and then clicking that check mark arrow on the right will complete that for you. So now you can actually preview your work. Isn't that fun? If you click the arrow back, it takes you here, and then you can see at the top there's like that blue line, and that's actually showing you that your first clip is recorded. So you can just click on the record button as well to then just continue on recording, and you can see at the top that blue line is kind of going across, and then when you're done you can click that check mark at the bottom right. So that's also another way that you can just record. Now, if you're not happy with this, there is a way to go back and delete your clips, and we'll get to that later. But for now, we're happy with it. We're going to click next. And then it brings you here where you can put in to describe your video. So that's where you would put kind of a catchy slug. And then you can also add any hashtags or tag your friends there. So you want to use hashtags like FYP or For You page. And you want to look for ones that have a lot of views. So that one there has 222 billion views. And this is going to kind of put you in the forefront so people can see your video. Okay, so here we're just going to go back. If we wanted to delete a clip, that little X arrow at the bottom is what will actually allow you to delete your last segment. And then you'll see at the top there that that blue marker has disappeared, so that clip is gone. Now we just click on timer again to do another recording, which brings us back here. We're going to mark our out point and then click start to start our countdown. So right there is where we want it to stop. And 3, 2, 1, we're going to record our second clip. And then we're going to click the check mark. And now it's automatically allowing you to preview your entire video. So if we want to save this as a draft, you just click at the bottom and it will allow you to do that. And you can see the draft on your profile. That's something you can see but other people can't. Now, if we wanted to use our draft, we just go and we click here on the video. And we can type in our information and then click post and post it. And I have mine set up so that it saves automatically to my phone. Now, if you found this helpful or you want to follow along, just let's connect. Thanks so much for watching.